Okay, the spell work problem says to solve the system of equations. So then we have two equations here. Remember, a system of equations is a set of two or more equations with the same variables. So here, negative 2x minus 5y equals negative 23. That is a linear equation written in standard form. And then we have negative 9x plus 2y equals 19. That is also a linear equation written in standard form. So here we have a system of linear equations. To solve the system, all we need to do is go on Desmos and graph both of these equations. So here I have a screenshot of the graph that you'll get on Desmos. Remember, we really like Desmos because Desmos graphs linear equations in standard form. If we wanted to graph these two equations by hand, we'd have to put them into slope-intercept form first, which means we'd have to solve them for y. But with Desmos, we don't even have to do that. We can just type in both equations and then analyze the graph to figure out the answer. Remember, the solution to a system of equations is the point that makes both equations true. So if you're looking at the graph, you're looking for the point where both lines intersect, because that point, that ordered pair, is a solution to both equations. And here, the solution to the system is the point negative 1, 5.